Chapter 19. Working with Forms and Reports. Working with forms and reports in LibreOffice Base allows users to create user-friendly interfaces for data entry and presentation. Forms provide a way to input data into tables, while reports offer a way to present data in a structured and visually appealing format. Here's all about working with forms and reports in LibreOffice Base. Forms. Users can create forms in LibreOffice Base by either using the Form Wizard or designing the form manually in Design View. Forms consist of various form controls such as text boxes, drop-down lists, radio buttons, checkboxes, etc., which users can add to the form to input data. Form controls are bound to the fields in the underlying database table, allowing users to input data directly into the table through the form. Users can customize the layout and design of forms by adjusting properties such as size, position, font, color, etc. Forms often include navigation buttons such as Next Record, Previous Record, New Record, etc. to facilitate easy navigation through records. Creating a form using Form Wizard. Creating a form using the Form Wizard in LibreOffice Base is a straightforward process. Follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open LibreOffice Base and navigate to the database where you want to create the form. Step 2. In the main menu, go to Forms and select Use Wizard to create form. Alternatively, you can click on the Form Wizard icon in the toolbar. Step 3. In the Form Wizard dialog box, select the table or query that contains the data you want to display on the form. Click Next to proceed. Step 4. Move the fields you want to include on the form from the Available Fields list to the Fields in the Form list. Step 5. Select a layout option for your form, such as columnar, tabular, or justified. You can also choose whether to display data as a subform or in a separate window. Click Next to proceed. Step 6. If you chose to display data as a subform in the previous step, you can now select the related table and fields to include in the subform. Otherwise, skip this step by clicking Next. Step 7. Enter a title for your form in the Title field. Optionally, you can specify a name for the form and choose whether to open the form for data entry or as read-only. Click Finish to create the form. Step 8. Choose a name and location to save your form. Click Save to save the form. Step 9. Once the form is created, you can view and use it to interact with the data in your database. Navigate to the Forms section in LibreOffice Base to find and open your newly created form. Entering or removing data from forms. In LibreOffice Base, entering or removing data from forms is a fundamental task that allows users to interact with their database tables in a user-friendly manner. Entering or removing data from forms in LibreOffice Base involves using the form interface to input or delete records in the underlying database tables. Here's a step-by-step process on how to do this. Entering data into forms. 1. Launch LibreOffice Base and open the database containing the form you want to work with. 2. Locate the form in the Forms section of the database. 3. Once the form is open, you'll see fields for entering data. Click on the first field and start typing to enter data into the form. To add a new record, follow these steps. Click on the New Record button on the form navigation toolbar below. Enter the required information in the fields. Click on the Save button on the form navigation toolbar. To view the record that you entered, click on the Database Objects pane. Removing data from forms. 1. Follow the same steps as above to open the form containing the data you want to delete. 2. Use the navigation buttons or scroll through the records to locate the record you want to delete. 3. Once you've located the record, select it by clicking on it or navigate it. Then, either times press the delete button or use the keyboard shortcut, example delete or Ctrl+D to delete the record. Times right-click on the record and select Delete Record from the context menu. Searching records using a form. Searching records using a form in LibreOffice Base allows users to easily locate specific records within a database table. By creating a search form, users can input search criteria and quickly retrieve matching records. Searching records using a form in LibreOffice Base allows users to quickly locate specific data within a database table. Here's a step-by-step process to search records using a form. Steps: 1. Launch LibreOffice Base on your computer. 2. If you already have a form created, open it by navigating to the Forms section and double-clicking on the form's name. If you need to create a new form, go to the Forms section. Click on the Use Wizard to create form option or choose Create Form in Design View to design the form manually. 3. Enter search criteria. Once the form is open, locate the search field or add a search field if it's not already present on the form. Click on the search field to activate it. Modifying forms. Modifying forms in LibreOffice Base allows users to customize and enhance the appearance, layout, and functionality of their forms to better suit their needs. Here's how to modify forms in LibreOffice Base, along with a step-by-step process. Modifying forms. 1. Launch LibreOffice Base and open the database file containing the form you want to modify. Navigate to the Forms section and right-click on the form's name. 2. From the context menu, click on Edit to open the form in Design View. 3. To add new form controls, example text boxes, buttons, drop-down lists, select the desired control from the Form Controls toolbar, which is on the left of the form design screen, and click on the form to place it. To remove existing form controls, select the controls you want to delete and press the Delete key on your keyboard. 4. Right-click on the form or individual form controls to access their properties. Modify properties such as size, position, font, color, alignment, etc. to customize the appearance of the form and its controls. Changing labels. Changing labels in a form in LibreOffice Base allows users to customize the text displayed on form controls, providing clarity and improving user experience. Here's how to change labels in a form. 1. Launch LibreOffice Base and open the database file containing the form you want to modify. Navigate to the Forms section and right-click on the form's name and select Edit to open it in Design View. 2. Identify the label you want to change on the form. Labels are typically positioned near form controls, example text boxes, buttons, to describe their purpose or provide instructions. 3. Click on the label to select it. You should see handles around the label indicating that it's selected. 4. Once the label is selected, you can directly edit its text. Click inside the label text to place the cursor, then type the new label text you want to display. Changing background. Changing the background in a form in LibreOffice Base allows users to customize the appearance of their forms to better suit their preferences or match a specific theme. Here's how to change the background in a form. 1. Launch LibreOffice Base and open the database file containing the form you want to modify. Navigate to the Forms section and double-click on the form's name to open it in Design View. 2. Right-click anywhere on the form or select the form by clicking on its border to access its properties. Choose the Control Properties option from the context menu. Alternatively, select Form Properties from the menu bar. 3. From the main menu, select Format, Page Style. On the Page Style dialog box, select the tab area. Click on the color picker or enter a color code to choose the desired background color. If you prefer to use an image as the background, find the property labeled Select an image from the given list of images or click on the Add Import button to select one from your computer. 4. Depending on the chosen background color or image, you may have additional properties to adjust, such as background transparency or tiling options for images. Explore the available options to fine-tune the appearance of the background to your liking. Reports. Users can create reports in LibreOffice Base by using the Report Wizard or by designing the report manually in Design View. Reports typically consist of different sections such as header, detail, and footer sections, each serving a specific purpose. Users can group data in reports based on certain criteria, allowing for a hierarchical display of data. Reports can include calculations and aggregate functions such as sum, count, average, etc. To perform calculations on data. Users can format the appearance of reports by adjusting properties such as font, color, alignment, borders, etc. Reports can be printed directly from LibreOffice Base or exported to various formats such as PDF, Excel, or HTML for sharing and distribution. Types of sections. 1. Page header and page footer. The page header section appears at the top of each page in the report, while the page footer section appears at the bottom. They typically contain titles, logos, page numbers, and other information that should appear on every page of the report. 2. Group header and group footer. Group header sections are used to display information at the beginning of each group of data. Group footer sections are used to display information at the end of each group. Groups are created based on specific fields in the data source, allowing users to organize data into logical categories. 3. Detail section. The detail section is where the main body of the report is displayed. It contains individual records or rows of data retrieved from the data source. 4. Report header and report footer. The report header section appears at the beginning of the report, typically before any group headers. The report footer section appears at the end of the report, typically after all group footers. They are used for overall report information, such as report titles, dates, and summaries. Using sections. Inserting and removing sections. Sections can be inserted or removed using the Report Design view in LibreOffice Base. Users can right-click on the report layout and select options to insert new sections or remove existing ones. Formatting sections. Each section can be formatted independently, allowing users to customize the appearance of headers, footers, and data areas. Formatting options include changing fonts, colors, alignments, borders, and backgrounds. Creating a report using Wizard. Creating a report using the Wizard in LibreOffice Base is a straightforward process that allows users to quickly generate reports from their database tables or queries. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a report using the Wizard. 1. Launch LibreOffice Base and open the database file containing the tables or queries you want to create a report from. 2. In the main menu, click on the Reports tab to access the Reports section. 3. Click on the Use Wizard to create report option. This will open the Report Wizard dialog box. 4. In the first step of the wizard, you'll need to choose the data source for your report. This can be a table, query, or existing report. Select the desired table or query from the available options and click Next. Inserting titles and headings. To insert the title of the report, follow the following steps. 1. In the main menu, click on the Reports tab to access the Reports section. 2. Select the report in which you want to make changes and right-click on it. From the context menu, click on Edit. 3. Click on the Label tool available on the Report Controls toolbar. 4. Bring the mouse pointer on the report. Click and drag to insert the label text box. Inserting date and time. To insert the date on which the report is generated, follow the given steps. 1. In the main menu, click on the Reports tab to access the Reports section. 2. Select the report in which you want to make changes and right-click on it. From the context menu, click on Edit. 3. In the Design view of report, click in the page header area to make it active. 4. Click Insert Date and Time option as shown in the figure given below.